Want to sign up for Roblox? Creating a Roblox account is completely free and gives you access to millions of games, social features, avatar customization, and much more. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Roblox account step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Roblox website. On the home page, you'll see the account registration form where you can create your free account. Next, enter your birth date, choose a unique username, create a strong password, and select the required account information. Take your time choosing a username because changing it later may have additional requirements. After entering your information, click the Sign Up button. If Roblox asks you to complete a verification challenge, simply follow the on-screen instructions to verify that you're a real person. Once your account is created, open the account settings and consider adding a verified email address. You can also enable additional security features, such as two-step verification, to better protect your account. Finally, customize your avatar, update your profile, and start exploring games from the home page. You can also search for experiences, add friends, and save your favorite games for later. And that's how to sign up for Roblox. With your new account ready, you can play millions of experiences, connect with friends, and explore everything Roblox has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.